Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do the POV I'm your dash girlfriend, boyfriend, wife or husband. So this is pretty much the preview of what it's supposed to look like. So you're going to need an editing app. So I'm using CapCut for this. So first things first, let's launch CapCut. Then you're going to select 5 images for this, and once you've selected the images, you're going to change the format to 9:16. Now that we've changed the format for the video clip, we're going to go ahead and delete the end screen, and we're going to adjust the first image to 8.9 seconds, the second, the third and the fourth to 2.3 seconds, and the last image to 1.4 seconds. Be higher, higher. Once that is completed, we're going to go ahead and add text, and we're going to add POV I'm your blank, and for the blank you're going to add your country flag, and then you'd add girlfriend, boyfriend, wife or husband, and this should be 8.9 seconds as the first image. Finally, I'm going to add the audio, and for this I'm going to extract the sound from a TikTok video. I have a whole video on how to extract sounds from a video. I'll link it in the description, but yeah, once you're done with that and you're comfortable, you could go ahead and click the arrow in the top right hand corner to export, and you can find this video in your camera roll. So if you guys like this video, you found this video useful, please like, please leave a comment, and if you're new, please subscribe for more videos. Every time you hold me, take me